Head to scholar.google.com, and once you're on the homepage, notice the My Library button in the upper left-hand corner that's next to a star. We'll come back to this shortly. Today, I'm searching for results on grief counseling. After I hit enter, the results populate, and now, after taking a scroll, I can click the star where it says save when I come across something that I want to save to my library. I can save it to my reading list by default, or I can create select new. I'm going to create a new label called grief counseling. I click done and resume scrolling through the results list. Now I can save other results to my library under that grief counseling label. I can access everything in my library by clicking the library button in the right-hand corner. The default will show you all of the articles in your library, but you can select on reading list. I'm going to select on grief counseling. So they are now in their own folder in the library. And you can create more labels or simply just add to your reading list, depending on how you want to organize your library. Now I'm going to bring you back to the Google Scholar homepage and return to that My Library button in the upper left-hand corner that we saw earlier. And it brings you right to your library where you can see all of your saved articles.